This is lesson 41, and for the 3rd grade worksheet, and I'll be covering it. So the first part is just addition and subtraction. So first you have 11 minus 5 equals 6. And we know that 11 minus 5 equals 6 because if you add the second number here and 6, so if you add 5 plus 6, you get 11. And we know that because it also says it down here. So in other words, you can also say that means that this number right here plus 5 must equal 11. And the only number that added with 5 that equals 11 is 6. So the answer here is 6. Or what you can do is just that instead of just thinking of it that way, you can just do, since you have 11 minus a random number equals 5. To find that number, you can just do 11 minus 5 and you'll get that number for here, which is 6. Same thing for here. So we have 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then here it's asking 3 plus what equals 8. Now if we look back here, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And basically it's this and this are the same thing, it's just that these two are flipped. So the answer is 5. But you can also just do 8 minus 3, and that also gets you 5. For number 3, you have 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. This problem is basically the same as number 2. So you have 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Here it's just written backwards. You have 3 plus a number equals 5. What other number could be used in this problem? And it would be 2. Because 3 plus 2 would also equal 5. Now here we have multiplication. Here it's a lot easier to just memorize them. But if you don't, you can just add it like this. So you have 3 times 6. You could just write 6 3 times. You get 18. And then here is 9 times 10. That's really easy because you just do 9 times 1, which is 9. You just add the 0 there. Here you have 3 times 9, so you have 3 9s then. And if you add them, you get 27. So yeah, but it's easier to just memorize these. Now we have addition. We have 65 plus 13. So here we have to add them by columns like this. So we have 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then 6 plus 1, and that's 7. So the answer is 78. Here we have 30 plus 35. Now we do the column thing again. So we have 0 plus 5, and 0 plus 5 equals 5. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the answer to number 2 is 65. And here for number 3, you have 26 plus 43. So you write 26 plus 43. Now you just draw a line down the middle and you just add them by column. So the first part would just be 6 plus 3. And 6 plus 3 is 9, and then 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the answer is 69. So you should be able to do the rest on your own. Most of it's pretty simple. Now we have word problems. Sally has a total of 26 cards to sell. She's able to sell 14 of those cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So it says that we have 26 baseball cards, right? Or Sally has it. And then she sells 14 of them to her friend. So that means it's just, when she sells it, she's getting rid of it. So that's subtraction. So that's 26 minus 14. And here you write it like columns, just like in addition. But instead you just subtract. So we have 6 and 4. 6 minus 4, that equals 2. And 2 minus 1, that equals 1. So the answer is 12 cards. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.